Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Stay Charming. My name is Pooja. In this video I'm going to make everyday messy bun which is super quick and super easy, and it will not take more than 1 minute. So all you have to do is just follow the steps I'm doing. If you guys are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel to become part of this charming family. Also don't forget to hit that bell button right next to it to get the notification of all the latest videos. You can follow me on Instagram also. You can search me with Automat Pooja, AUTOMATHPOOJA. So for this bun I made ponytail and then I divided it into two sections and twisted them and then pulled my hair to give it a messy look. Then I'm wrapping it around the rubber band. Then I'll secure it with the help of U-pins. If you guys are interested in lifestyle DIY kind of videos in Hindi, you can subscribe to my another channel, Beauty and Creativity. Now after wrapping it around, I'm pulling my hair to give it more messy look. Now pull some hair from the front also to give it messy look, poof kind of look at the front also. And after this, your everyday messy bun is ready. If you like this video, please don't forget to press that like button. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye. Take care.